In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation bar in Notion. We'll start by building a simple container that looks like a real menu. In any Notion page, type /callout and press enter. This instantly creates a neat box with a subtle background color and an icon, which helps the navigation stand out from the rest of your content. Place this callout at the top of your page so it's easy to find. You can keep the default icon or change it later to match your workspace's vibe. Think of this callout as the holder for your links. Now choose how you want your navigation to look. For a clean horizontal layout, click inside the callout and type your page names in a single line. Like home vertical bar tasks, vertical bar projects, use the vertical bar symbol or even small emoji as separators to create consistent spacing. Keep the names short and clear so the bar stays tidy. If you prefer a sidebar style menu, set up a narrow left-hand column. In Notion, you can create columns by dragging one block to the side of another until you see a vertical guide. Make that left column narrow. Then place your callout inside it. This gives you a vertical navigation area that feels like a classic sidebar and leaves plenty of room for your main content on the right. With the layout in place, it's time to turn those labels into working links. Highlight each page name inside the callout. Press CMDork, Ctrl+K, and paste the link to the matching Notion page. To grab the exact URL click the page in your sidebar and select Copy Link. Repeat this for each label so every item points exactly where you want. Keep the order consistent across pages to make navigation feel familiar. To avoid recreating the navbar on every page, make it reusable with a synced block. Type /synced and create a new synced block. Then drag your completed callout the entire navbar inside it. Copy that synced block and paste it at the top of every page where you want the navigation to appear. From now on, any change you make to the navbar in one place, like adding a new page or updating a label, will automatically update everywhere that synced block appears. It's a huge time saver and keeps your workspace consistent. That's it, your Notion navigation bar is built, linked, and synced. Thanks for watching.